Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. After today's price movement, though, definitely some updates here need to be made from the charting perspective. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of these lines right here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly what played out today. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, I talked about 750 as an area of support, but then the price dropped below it during the opening period of the day and then spent several times throughout the course of the day, both there, and then once again in the afternoon, getting right up around that 750 range and never being able to push back above it. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's impossible for the price to get back up through 750. I'm just saying, apparently, according to what the chart and the this past history has now shown us, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to actually fight through that level. Next level of resistance after that, if it can push through 750, is going to be the purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. But one step at a time, and definitely that first hurdle, like I said, 750. If the price can clear that, then yeah, you can start to talk about the 50-period simple moving average. Now, what about levels of support? As of today, with more data, it's become quite apparent that the current buyers are hanging around right around $6.25. So we'll see if that can hold going forward. If $6.25 cannot hold, the next overall level after that could very well be coming into play right around $4.75. I did not trade this one today, but I am still interested in trading it. So, these are the levels that I'll be keeping an eye on tomorrow. But yeah, things are looking a little bit shaky here. We'll see if the bulls can recover or if today's gap down was the start of something much more bearish. Only time will tell. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.